How to fix Snapchat error code 14. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's a simple guide to fix the Snapchat error code C14A. So first and foremost, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure that the Wi-Fi you're using is stable, strong, and reliable. You can also disable any VPN or proxy if you're using on your device. Another thing you can do is you can restart your Snapchat application by completely closing it from the background and also your phone. This will clear the Snapchat box. Another thing you can do is you can clear the app's cache. Tap and hold on to this Snapchat application. Tap on the eye icon to go to app info. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, login activity. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then simply try uninstalling the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store and App Store, and make sure that you install the latest version of Snapchat. And if you're still having problem, it's probably a problem on Snapchat's end. So give it a few hours and try again. And if the problem continues, you can contact the Snapchat support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.